welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated my son's room with simple DIYs. The first one is accent wall decor. So I had cut out some car shapes from this different color cardstocks I had. And I will draw little windows and doors to make it look like a car. So this is how it looks. Now since I stay in a rented apartment, I use this scotch double-sided tape to stick the cars on the wall. It's very easy to stick and also to remove it. And now I'm going to stick it on the wall. This is a very simple DIY, but this really enhances the room by adding colors to the blank green walls, and it immediately transforms to a more lively space. So this is how it turned out. I'm very happy with this. Tell me how you like it. Second one is tassels I made instead of curtains, because we have floor to ceiling windows and it all has blinds on it, which are again white. It's very boring. So since I cannot make curtains, colorful curtains I cannot put, so what I did is I made colorful tassels from yarns and I hang them on the side of the window to highlight the window. So I made many different colors, as you can see. Tied them around the window. And this space turned out to be very cohesive when put together, and it now gives a very colorful and playful vibe. My third one is a very simple one. It's a side table I made from these two baskets. So I had these baskets where I stored my son's storybooks and toys. So I put them one on top of the other and made it like a side table beside his bed. You can also tie two baskets with the help of zip ties, but I thought to keep it as it is. And now the final look. So I've kept the storybooks on the bottom level. On the top level I've kept it empty. Now you can see he has kept his iPad. So this is the final look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like these ideas, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And also please subscribe to my channel to support and keep it going. Thank you.